In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain in Siteground. Whether you're updating your setup or simply managing your web presence, knowing how to navigate your hosting account efficiently is crucial. Let me guide you through this process step by step so you can remove any domain with ease. First, let's head over to Siteground's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Siteground. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage, which is designed to provide access to all the powerful tools and resources Siteground offers. Now once you're on the Siteground homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the login button. Clicking this will bring up the login page. Go ahead and enter your account details carefully to gain access to your personal dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Siteground homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your account and services. From here you want to head directly to your account by clicking on My Siteground Account. This link should be easily visible on the main navigation menu on the page. Inside your account section, look for the option labeled Websites. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page displaying all the websites you've hosted with Siteground. This page offers you a central hub to manage your site resources, settings, and more. Next, you'll want to navigate to Site Tools to access the administrative controls of your specific website. Find the Site Tools button associated with the website from which you wish to remove a domain. Click it, and this will redirect you to a dashboard packed with site-specific management options. On the Site Tools dashboard, look for the Domain section. Clicking on Domain will reveal several options related to domain management. Among these options, locate parked domains. This is a useful feature that allows you to manage any additional domain names you use for the website. Once you've accessed the Parked Domains section, identify the domain you want to remove. Each parked domain will have options available for management alongside it. To remove a particular domain, simply click on Delete. Be sure to confirm your choice when prompted, as this will finalize the removal of the domain from your Siteground account. And there you have it, you've successfully removed a domain from Siteground. This technique streamlines your hosting setup and ensures your website configurations remain tidy and relevant. Thank you for following along, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a refresher on removing domains within the Siteground environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you might have in the comments below. See you next time.